Hey guys, look down there. We got nature cinnamon buns. Awesome. They taste great.
Mmm, yummy. And there's sprinkles on them too.
Yeah, look at all those white sprinkles. Anybody want one? Hi guys, we're getting bombed by planes in southern Arizona. Hi guys, we're in southern Arizona in Sycamore Canyon. My dad's swimming from way over there to get a nice close-up of these very special fish, the long-finned dace.
That was an awesome experience in this little creek right here. Those fish were literally trying to eat me alive. I almost felt like they're eating it. They're biting my face. Any soft part you have, they're biting your face, your nose, your eye, trying to eat your hairs off. They were even biting my nipples. This is not a place you want to skinny dip. I felt like I was breastfeeding piranhas or something for a split second. So, all right, let's get the heck out of here. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.
Yeah. These fish are already
Don't
eating.
fall in with the endangered fish.
Oh, they'll make you endangered. Well, I just did that.
Oh.
I'm taking a swim. Bye.